See, magic. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Get Perfect, and my name is Vismay. So in today's video we are going to learn about macros. Yes, you wanted these videos. I have got so many comments, so many emails on making a video on an Excel macro. So here we go. So macros are used when you have a specific task which needs to be done every day, right? You have a specific set of tasks which needs to be done every day, and you have to send it to your management or your boss or anyone you want to send it. So instead of doing that task every day, the same activity every day, you can set up a macro which can do your 10 minutes, 15 minutes, half an hour task in just a click or just a shortcut key. So I'll show you how to do it. So before without wasting any further time, let's jump onto my laptop screen. We are already on our laptop screen. So this is the data which comes to me daily. The data is used till 2467 goes in it, and I want to make some cosmetic changes, some formulas, and I want to present this data to my management. So I have to do it every day. So how can we do using a macro? So let's start. So to start with a macro, you have to go to a view tab. In the view tab you can see a macros key. Here you have to record a macro. So when you press record a macro, you can see you have a file name. Okay, so file name can be a daily task, anything which you want to. I'll set up a shortcut key, say control D. Okay, so that is a shortcut key. D stands for daily. This you should always keep as personal macro workbook, which can be used at any Excel workbook which is open on your laptop. If you say new workbook, you have to open a new workbook and then press the shortcut key, and this macro will work only in this Excel. Okay, so keep it as personal macro workbook. Description, if you want to keep, you can keep it. If you don't want to keep, you can, it's your option. Okay, so let's keep it as a for our daily activity. Okay, and then I press OK. As soon as you press OK, sorry, the syntax of this name isn't correct. Okay, so there should not be a space in between macro name. So I'll say daily underscore task and say OK. As soon as you press OK, the recording is started. So now let's do the changes what you want to. First of all, I will select this and I will change this font. I don't like this font. I'll keep it as Calibri. I'll increase the font size to 11. Then I'll just do auto fit. Then I'll change the header color. You can do it slow also. Okay, there is no hard and strict rule which you have to do it fast. Think and do what changes you want to do. Then I'll color this. Then I'll add a column, say average ticket size. So the business done is this is the average ticket size. So this divide by this. I'll copy this entire formula and paste it in the entire column. Copy and paste. If you haven't seen my formula on copy and paste, I'll leave the link in the description box and in the I button. I'll again go here, again do auto fit. This should be in decimals. Okay, this looks fine. Then I need this data to be sorted as per the average ticket size. So I'll go to data, I'll go to sort, I'll select average ticket size and want from big to small, large to small, and say OK. Now I want to come here and again enter a column called date. Date would be today. I'll select this and paste it. I want this particular date in tables. I want to draw tables against it. Draw on tables, and this should be as same as this header. Okay, so these are some changes which I need to do. I have just done few minor changes. If your data is huge and you want to do huge changes, you can use this. So these are few changes which I did, and now it's okay for me, I wanted this much only, and I'll send this data to my manager. So these are the activities which I do on daily basis, which I don't want to do it on daily basis. I just want to do it on a click of a mouse or with a shortcut key, which is Control D. So this is done. I'll go to view and I'll say stop recording. So now the macro has been stopped. Now the same data is here in this sample file. So if I want to go ahead and use the same data, I can go and see how many macros have I done. This is the macro which I have just made, daily task, and I'll select that macro and say run. See, everything is done. The date column has been added, the average ticket size has been added, the font has been changed. See, it was just a click of a mouse, and this task may take 10 minutes of time. It has taken 0 seconds of time. And let's see with a shortcut key, which was Control D. See, magic. So please tell me, how do you like this video? If you like this video, a macro was so easy, right? People have said that the macro is very difficult, but I am sure this was the easiest thing you must have learned in Excel. So if you have anything, please leave your feedbacks in the comment box, and also like this video, share this video with your friends and family, and please do subscribe this channel if you have not done so, and hit the like button so that you get notified every time I upload a fresh video. Thank you so much, and please do take care of yourself. Bye.